such a band.
Holy shit, look how slam that is.
Yeah. My whole front end would be ripped the fuck off.
Dude, he has to have airbags.
Ew, God, that stinks so fucking bad. Oh, this is so cute. Like this little truck. Oh my gosh. Look how cute this is, Ray. Look at the interior. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yo. Read this. I don't know about that. It's
White British.
shush. Okay. Enough, Brayden. Come on. That's kind of fucked up. Anyway. Ha.
See, my thing's white, you're on.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll Alright.
Is it? I mean, it's just a compliment. No, I mean, I see the same. It's not that big. It's not that big when it's awesome.
There's another bunny.
Another rat. Oh, there's a cat on it.
I
Like that.
I would have said, dude, get a car.
Well, that's pretty dope.
Now you're crossing the line.
The chain.
European.
European.
Yeah, no, I don't know. I mean, if you see it that, I mean, like, we hung out with a dude for a while, and he came to a show.
Oh, that's nice.
You can see it flopping around.
Dude, look at the exhaust on the ground.
Yeah.
Let's keep going.
I've done the same thing. I'm like, have you seen dudes like? They're like, yeah, I've done the same. Everybody had the same reaction. Like, what the hell? Like, how do you walk around with that? I had a guy wearing shorts just like these.
Oh, look, he's
Ooh, the masks. I love the masks. In the front of them.
Dude, I assure you, that yellow Audi's between
The, what, the, yeah?
and the red one.
What is that? Yes.
What is what?
Oh, no, come here. I said, what Audi is that? It was an S3, but I don't really know.
VR6.
Yeah, that's pretty cute. I like the headlights. Oh, that's pretty nice.
Turbo. Dude, my phone literally slips out of my hands.
Because of how small it is, or what?
No, like the back of it is, it like slides. Dude, I really want to hear this.
You might need a thing on the back of it. Like a pop socket or something to hold it. Yeah. Kind of agree, but...
Phone's already 52%. We're only taking pictures.
You have it on like the highest, brightest. That's probably why.
No, I have it on half.